I'm Scott Peasley, this is Wild Generation, and today we're gonna cook a hard-boiled egg in an adorable teddy bear paper cup. Not that paper cup. That one's gonna light on fire. Now why would I burn this adorable teddy bear paper cup, you may ask? It's very simple, we're doing a science experiment. Water, which I just got this from the pond, boils at 212 degrees Fahrenheit. Meanwhile, paper, as we all know from the book, burns at 451 degrees Fahrenheit.
It's napkin science time.
As our temperature goes up over time, it heats the paper cup. Oh boy, I've seen some movies. Eventually it'll get to 212 degrees and the water starts to boil, and it's gonna stay there until the water boils off, and then the temperature will rise again, if we left it in there long enough, to 451 degrees Fahrenheit, and it would just keep going up as it burns. So the outside of the cup will want to burn, however, it will not be able to rise above 212 degrees Fahrenheit until all the water has turned to steam. The real question is, will the glue hold together? So we're gonna put the egg in, a little bit of displacement there, and we're gonna light it on fire. Or maybe not. Mandatory tong check. They're good. We're gonna carefully place our egg in the fire and see what happens. See, the cup is starting to burn a little bit where there isn't water, but the water is starting to boil. Just to make this experiment a little bit more fun, let's see what happens when we put a raw egg directly in the fire. The egg not in the cup is clearly exploded. Meanwhile, we've reached a rolling boil with our other egg. I'm gonna see if we can do this without burning ourselves. Woo! So all the water just emptied out of here. Looks like the glue didn't quite last as long as we had hoped, but the egg is still in there. This egg does not look as happy as our other egg. So we have our constant, our hard-boiled, and our cooked directly in a fire. Get out of here, walnut. Next up, hard-boiled. It's clearly soft-boiled, not hard-boiled. Glue didn't quite hold long enough. Our very hot, definitely broken open, overcooked egg. This one's actually more cooked than I thought it was. It's just stuck to the shell. In the fire. In the water in the fire. No fire. Time for our taste test. It's probably not a good idea to eat a raw egg, but these are from our chickens at home. It's like a day old. That was gross. I don't know why people do that. Now for a soft-boiled egg, I actually like these in scotched eggs. The problem is, I didn't put any vinegar in the water, which actually helps you peel it. So we're just gonna take a bite. A little crunchy with a bit of shell in it. But you know, not bad. Now for our straight in the fire egg that oozed out the side. First we'll try the burnt part. That tastes terrible. And now for the yolk, which I think is probably not too bad. Actually, yeah, that's pretty good. The rest of it's kind of useless though. Wash it down with some bullet coffee. Thank you for watching this episode of Wild Generation. Go out there, cook some eggs in the wilderness. I don't know, try it 3 different ways, see what you like. Except maybe not raw.